Hello student, this question has been asked in your examination, right, and semester examination. This question figure is given here. He has given you an NPN transistor, right. A 10 volt battery is connected at the base terminal through this base resistance RB of 2 kilo ohm. Beta value is given 200, right. This 15 volt battery is connected at the collector through this collector resistance RC, right, and he is saying that this transistor is working in active region, right. Transistor is working in active region, right. Collector to emitter voltage is given at 0.2 volt, base emitter voltage is given as 0.7 volt. Now you have to calculate collector resistance RC you have to calculate. So just have a look at it, how to solve this question. This is 8 marks question, right. So first of all, just understand that since the transistor is given in active region, that means you have to apply IC is equal to beta times of IB. That means collector current is beta times of base current. So first I will use base emitter loop, right. Base emitter loop means this loop, right. You know that this terminal is emitter, right. This is the base and this is the collector. So first I will apply this base emitter loop, right. Kirchhoff's voltage law in base emitter loop, KVL in base emitter loop. So when you apply KVL in this base emitter loop, right, see here this voltage is base emitter voltage VBE, right. This voltage is base emitter voltage. So apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law in this loop, base emitter loop. That means like this you can apply. So minus to plus 10 volt, plus 10, right. Now in the direction of current flow there is a voltage drop, so you are going like this. That means this is plus, this is minus. Like this the voltage will drop in this 2 kilo ohm resistance. So how to write? Minus this base resistance RB, which is equal to 2 kilo ohm, right. 2 kilo ohm base resistance multiplied by this base current, right. In this branch which current is flowing? Base current is flowing because this is a base terminal, right. So 2k ohm into base current IB minus VBE, plus to minus VBE, plus to minus VBE, right. Now the loop completes. Once again I will start from here, minus to plus 10 volt, plus to minus, in the direction of current flow there is a voltage drop, so this terminal will be negative, later one will be negative and this one will be positive, right. So minus 2k into IB plus to minus VB, loop completes, is equal to 0, right. So put this values VB 10 minus 2k into base current IB, right, minus VB is given as 0.7 volt is equal to 0, right. So now base current is equal to 10 minus 0.7, it is equal to 9.3 divided by 2 kilo ohm, right, is equal to 4.65 milliampere. Milliampere means 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, right. K means 10 to the power plus 3. So this will become 4.65 milliampere, right. Now this is a base current. So what is collector current, right, which is basically active value of collector current. IC active is equal to beta times of IB. You know this. He is already saying that this is transistor is working in active region, right. So this IC active is equal to beta times of IB. Beta is 200, IB is 4.65 milliampere means multiply by 10 to the power minus 3. Milli means 10 to the power minus 3. So, or you put in milliampere only and you can calculate directly in milliampere. So you will get 930 milliampere. Now I am going to apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in collector to ammeter loop. Like this is collector and this is ammeter. Collector to ammeter loop in CE loop. Collector to ammeter loop means this loop. See here how to apply. See this battery of 15 volt, this is actually connected like this. Right, this is plus, this is minus, and this is 15 volt. So like this battery is connected, right? This terminal is again grounded, right? Lower terminal, negative terminal is grounded. So start from here and complete a loop through this ground. Start from this ground and complete the loop till this ground. So that means I will start from here. So minus 2 plus 15, right? In the direction of current flow there is a voltage drop. I told you this is a convention of electrical technology, basic convention. So current is flowing like this, top to bottom. That means plus here and this is minus here. So minus ICRC. What is the current in this branch? This is the collector terminal. So that means this current is collector current IC, right? Collector current IC. So collector current is flowing in this RC, right? So apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. Plus 15 minus ICRC, right? ICRC, right? Plus 2 minus VC. This voltage is basically collector to ammeter voltage. VCE is collector to ammeter voltage. So minus VCE plus 2 minus VC is equal to, you will write 0. So 15 minus IC is basically active value of collector current that you have already calculated. That means this value. Put this value here. So 930 milliampere. Directly put in milliampere, right? RC. Directly put in milliampere, you will get RC in RC value, right? So ICRC minus point VC is given as 0.2 volt is equal to 0, right? So from here you can solve. 15 minus 0.2 is 14.8. So that means collector resistance RC is 14.8 divided by 930 milliampere, right? So milliampere means you have to multiply it by 10 to the power minus 3, right? That means when you solve this you will get 15.91 ohms. That is the answer, right? So like this you can solve for collector resistance RC. Thank you very much. I stop.